Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your Dell Pro 14 work faster. So let's start with the essentials, and the most important thing about keeping your device working fast is keeping its software up to date. So let's go to Start menu, open Settings, and then check Windows Update section. Here you'll find the most important updates for your system, and also in advanced options you may be able to find driver updates for your laptop by going to optional updates and checking whether you have driver updates here. If you do have, I recommend installing them as well. Also, in the system menu you can check storage, which is not only part of your settings, but it's also a place where you can comfortably get rid of all the excessive files, like temporary files in your trash bin or temporary update files that you can't uninstall anywhere else. You can also have access to all the applications installed on your laptop, so you can decide which ones you don't need and uninstall them easily in here. And I recommend having at least 10 gigabytes of storage on the system disk, 10% of storage of your system disk free for your system to work efficiently. Also, for additional updates, you have to reach out to the Dell SupportAssist application that either is pre-installed on your laptop, or if it's not, you can also download and install it from the Dell Support website. It's a one-click installation program and it runs smoothly on all the Dell laptops. And here, in order to find all the drivers that you need to update, you just have to click one button available straight on the dashboard, which is Update Software. You can also scan hardware here to check your device's health. You can boost your device's performance directly simply by hitting this checkbox, and you can also optimize your network. And if you click Start, it will take just a couple of minutes for this app to find the required updates, boost your device's performance, and optimize your network. Also, to keep your device running fast, you should reduce the amount of applications starting along with your PC. To find them all, you have to right-click the taskbar, go to the Task Manager, and then find the startup applications right here on the sidebar. Sort them by status and see which ones are enabled. And if you see some apps here, for example this Copilot, that you don't want to start, that you don't really use after you launch your PC, then by disabling such apps, which you can do by right-clicking the app and selecting Disable, you will not only shorten the time of your device's launch, but you will also have one less application running in the background. And speaking of which, if we go to the Process tab, we can directly see which applications use up the most CPU or memory on this device. And in order to disable an application here, right-click it and select End Task. Besides, don't forget about browser tabs, because each browser tab, even the empty one, uses up your device's RAM memory, which is very precious nowadays. And don't forget to close your browser tabs, especially the ones that you do not use, that do not need. And let's see what this app can do for us. Let's see whether it finds something for us to update. And let's see what it does to boost our device's performance and optimize our network. Give it a moment. And as you can see, the software is up to date. We recovered over 1 gigabyte of drive space, and we optimized 75 different files to improve the device's performance. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.